This should be a really nice dinner. Hi, Big Papa here. Let's have some fun with duck fat. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make some duck fat potatoes with little Louis and a little Desert Gold. It's gonna have some butter and some duck fat. We're gonna do it in cast iron. I got my pan right here. And what I'm gonna do is I got this Mary's rendered duck fat. It's to me far superior than the sprays that are out there. It's fabulous. So I'm just gonna take a spoonful here, spoonful there. Put a couple pads of butter in there. Okay, now what we want to do with this, might have just a little too much. Okay, so what we want to do with this is we want to put it in the preheated oven. And we want to get the pan hot, and when we get the oil, the duck fat melted and the butter melted, then I'm going to pull it out. And in the meantime, I will have put these into nice, perfect chunks. Then I'll toss them in this so they get coated with the duck fat, but then I'm going to put them in the oven. And in about a half hour, I'm going to take a spoon and move them around and flip them over. Another half hour, they should be just beautifully golden brown and crispy. Here we go. Oh yeah. Just about 2 or 3 minutes is all I need there. Okay, so I want to cut these potatoes up. Just nice, good bite-sized chunks. Now you notice I didn't cook both potatoes the same way. It's kind of like driving someplace one way and then going home the other way. So it's obviously not critical. We got the potato pieces. Okay, this is getting fun. This looks beautiful. Put the potatoes in with the melted duck fat and butter. Hit them with some little Louis. And some Desert Gold. I'll mix that up so it's coated beautifully. You want them shiny here. When them shiny, I think everything's perfect. I think this is going to be potatoes I remember. Hopefully you can try these at home and see if you agree with me. Now, since I've done this way, I'm going to spread it out. Be careful once you've had the pan in the oven that you don't burn yourself with the handle. I'm very keenly aware of it. I'm going to hit a little more of this. You know, it's the lemon, the garlic, the sesame, and the Desert Gold that just really blooms on potatoes. It's really great. It's great on everything. As you know, I cook a lot with it. Put this butter for good luck, this one last pad here. And I'm going to put it in the oven. And in about a half hour, I'm going to take a spoon and move them around and flip them over. Another half hour, they should be just beautifully golden brown and crispy. So we're going to do that. At the same time, we're also going to cook some ribeyes and some duck fat and some butter with some cash cow and then a little bit of Big Papa's competition rub, which is really great at home. So we'll do those, and we're going to sear them on the stovetop. So here we go. And then we're going to put them in the oven for only about 5 minutes. But this is not a duck fat spray. This is real duck fat. And this should be a really nice dinner.